Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ben and I'm a photographer and videographer based in North Wales. If you've been following along, you'll know that I recently got a new drone. I got the Mavic Air 2 as part of the Fly More combo, and I also purchased the DJI Care Refresh. And boy am I glad that I did. I destroyed the Mavic Air 2. Drone was in one hand, camera in the other, and the gimbal was spread across the Welsh countryside somewhere. But in this video we're going to see how the Care Refresh program worked for me, and we're going to see what they've sent back to me as well, which I'm very excited for. So it was on the fateful evening of the 4th of September that the incident occurred. Partly down to the wind, and I'm sure partly down to user error, I demolished the Mavic Air 2, but then I was busy for quite a few days and I didn't actually get a chance to apply for the Care Refresh until the 8th of September. So it's all fairly easy, do it all online, go through a few questions. I did state that it was user error, and then at the end they'll send you a postage label. You just need to package up the drone and then send it off to them. I was busy again for another couple of days. I didn't get a chance to actually drop it off until the 10th of September. And then it was on its way to the Netherlands, where it arrived on the 15th of September. Once it arrived, it took 2, maybe 3 days for them to actually get round to it, open it up, inspect it. And then once they have done, they'll send back their report along with photos and everything of what's wrong, what's broken, and then they'll give you a estimate repair cost. So my repairs would have been basically a brand new camera and gimbal, along with some body fixes as well as new propellers. That would have cost around £108 apparently. Or, because I had the Care Refresh, I could just get a brand new drone for £69, including VAT. So obviously I decided to go for a brand new drone, which I'm assuming is in here. So I paid the £69 on the 17th of September, which is when they sent their quote. I just paid it immediately. The next day, on the 18th, it was shipped off from the Netherlands back to the UK, and it was actually estimated to arrive tomorrow on the 23rd. But it's just turned up today on the 22nd of September. So that's a 12-day turnaround from when I actually dropped it off for the UPS to pick it up until I got it back with me. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. So before I open her up, I am hoping that they've sent back the original box, because that's what I used to send it back off. I do always like to keep original boxes for stuff, especially with technology, because give it a couple of years I'm probably going to be looking to sell it on again. So let's see. It is indeed a Fly More combo box, which is upside down. They do package fairly well as well. Huh. So inside the Fly More combo box there is another box, brand new unsealed Mavic Air 2. Sweet. So yeah, I'm assuming that this is my original box from the Fly More combo. This looks like, yeah, that's the original sheet of paper that I sent in there with. It's just the case information, so details about the drone, serial number. So yeah, this looks like it's just going to be a brand new unboxing. Let's get to it. So in the box is what certainly looks to be a brand new Mavic Air 2, all the stickers and everything still attached, and that's it in the top. We'll take that out, and then there's no controller. Obviously I didn't send them a controller. And then all we've got in the accessories box is just a set of props for the Mavic Air 2. But still, either way, bravo DJI. So all we need to do now, I suppose, is make sure it works. I will point out as well that at some point during the application process I did read that I was not supposed to include the props when sending the drone back, but I saw another video where someone did actually include the pretty tatty, messy props, and they just got a brand new set with the drone. So I did include the props when I was sending it back. I left them attached to the drone and they sent me another set of props. So yeah, little tip for you. Okay, so we've just gone through the process. When you get a new drone and you're still using the original controller, you'll have to repair the controller to the aircraft. So all you have to do is set up the controller as you would normally, get the drone set up, switch her on, and it probably will not find it, it won't connect. So then you just need to hold the power button down for 4 seconds until it beeps. And you'll see the dots light up individually on the battery. Then you can hit pair in the app and it'll restart, and now we're done. So obviously this is a brand new drone, supposedly, and of course there's a software update, so we need to do that again. I will at some point in a future video be talking about this setup I've got with the iPad as well, so be sure to hit subscribe if you want to see that. Okay, we're nearly there, 96%. With my internet it's taken a while. Okay, firmware is installed. Get out there. There she is, showing up on the Go Fly app. Let's go fly. And I'm not going to fly, I'm just going to get the propellers moving. So let's have a look. There she is. She's back with us. Buzzing. Ace. So I have a fully functional Mavic Air 2 again. All for the price of £69 for the replacement, and what was it, about £50 for the initial Care Refresh purchase. So yeah, rather than spending another £800 or so on a brand new drone, that's a very good price. So would I recommend buying DJI Care Refresh? Absolutely, do it. You will not regret it. I mean, hopefully you'll never actually have to use it, but if you do have a little accident like I did, rest assured you should be able to get a brand new drone for £69 for the first one, and then I think £89 for the second one. And it's a very good turnaround as well. They're very honest in what they're doing. They send you photos of everything. So yeah, 12-day turnaround, brand new drone. That's a very good service. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it as well. I've had a very good experience with Care Refresh, and I hope that you do too. So if you want to see more like this, or more to do with drones, photography and video, please do consider hitting subscribe in the bottom corner there. Do give this video a like if you liked it or if it helped you. And if you've got any questions or comments or anything, do leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And then until the next one, thank you for watching, be good, stay safe, fly safe, and I'll see you in the next video.